are on our way to go mini golfing. It's actually really late. It's not morning. It's almost 1:30. But I did my treatment, took my meds, and it is what is this car doing? There's nobody even turning.
No, somebody did turn.
Well, I know, but he kept driving. Anyway, and it is a beautiful day in Florida. I think this is one of the nicest days we've had since I've been here. Nice blinker. What is it, like 70 something?
75.
It's 75. It's not humid really much at all. Sky is blue like it was yesterday. Palm trees. And, it's just a really beautiful day. So, we're going to go mini golfing, and then we're going to a baseball game tonight. What is the team?
The Clearwater Thrashers single A team for the Phillies.
You probably heard him. So, we're going to that tonight. That's at 7. And just enjoy.
And they have fireworks after the game.
Oh yeah, and they're gonna have fireworks after the game. So, I always say this, even though you guys won't see it till it's up, but the vlog is gonna be up pretty late tonight because I want to film that. And then after the game, it's like an hour drive back to my sister's house. So, it's gonna be probably won't be up till like 10 or 11 o'clock tonight. But I want to film those fireworks and film some of the game. So, just gonna enjoy the beautiful day. I'm sad that it's Thursday, but I still got 6 days here, and just gonna make the most of it. So I'll probably take some clips while we're mini golfing, and I will see you guys in a little while.
There's a coffin.
Yep.
We're already going to what?
16. The 50 is totally me. The 50 is totally me, right?
Oh yeah. Totally.
Okay, so we're on our way back from mini golf. We just stopped to get some gas, but I did okay. Actually, it was a pretty good game for me. I got 69. I think par was like 45 or something like that. So, for me, that's not a bad game because I am horrible at mini golf. I love to play it, horrible at it. But it was a lot of fun. We stopped to get some lunch on the way home. So once we get gas, we're gonna head home and eat lunch. Then we have about 2 hours to chill at the house before we head off to the baseball game. So it's a busy day, but it's a fun day. I got orange cream soda. You know, like those orange dream bars in Walmart, you know? I got orange cream soda, and it actually is, like, delicious. It's really good. It was out of one of those, those 100 flavor mix-up things. Yeah, it's really good. So if you like those orange dream bars, then I recommend you get that soda because it is amazing. So yeah, fun afternoon. I'm gonna eat and just kind of chill out for a bit before we head off to the game. And one thing about me, as you may know, I am not a big baseball fan. In fact, when it's on TV, I never watch it, like not even the playoffs. But when I'm actually at a stadium, I don't mind it. I enjoy it because it's kind of like, I don't know. It's more fun when you're there. It's more energized, and it's just, I don't mind baseball when I'm at the stadium. So, it'll be fun. And, yeah. So, hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll see you guys in a little while. Hey guys, so I told you yesterday that I ordered some things for the plane that I was going to keep a surprise. Well, I got them today, so the suspense is over. So I got this, which is 642 tiny things to draw. Because when I'm stressed out or anxious, drawing helps. And when they say tiny, they mean tiny. But it just gives you the most random stuff ever. And you draw it. And then I got 2 books. I got this, which I'm really excited about. And then I got this one, which I'm also really excited about. So I have like a horse racing book collection going on now because I got Ruffian too. So now the hard part is not getting into them until I get on the plane, because I'm like, I want to read these right now, but I will wait, maybe, hopefully. So very happy. Hey guys, I don't know how well you can hear me, but we made it to the game. And what time is it?
6.
It says it on your phone.
6:30.
So the game starts in about 30 minutes. But I'll flip the camera around so you can see.
Shop in store, online at Aaron's.
Renee, you try doing a selfie on the final? White spot.
Which way am I supposed to go? Oh, that's what I'm.
No, actually,
You
right.
need to reverse it so that. You sure don't want to do it from.
Oh, this is good. Wait! That's it. Said kids are looking at you. Here we go. Here we go again. Not yet. Hey, take a picture. Please vote us. No matter what.
Yeah, I didn't have my camera when I
Upper deck.
actually see me. I'm going to go ahead and say goodnight. We just got out of the game. You'll see there was fireworks after the game, and I took clips of those. Well, I took actually the whole clip of it, but I cut it into little things because I wasn't going to give you guys an 8-minute clip. So, yeah, unfortunately the home team lost, but it was a respectable loss. It was 5-4. So, since the light is fading and you guys can't see me very well, I'll upload this when we get home, but I'm going to go ahead and say goodnight, and thank you guys so much for coming along on my day today.